How to maximize the value of your home in Nashville. Selling a home can be stressful, but it can be more challenging to sell to a traditional buyer than a cash buyer. Traditional buyers often have more specific requirements, and they may be more picky and selective about the properties they buy, whereas cash buyers are usually open to most all types of properties. With a little bit of preparation and effort, you can maximize the value of your home and increase your chances of selling to one of these types of buyers in Nashville. Cash buyers in Nashville can be an excellent option for homeowners who want a fast and hassle-free sale. Cash buyers do not have to worry about securing financing, so they can move faster than buyers who need to get a mortgage. Additionally, cash buyers may be more flexible and willing to negotiate on the price and terms. So, if you're considering selling your home to a cash buyer in Nashville, there are several steps you can take to increase its value and make it more appealing to those potential buyers. In this article, we will discuss some tips for maximizing the value of your home when selling to a cash buyer in Nashville. Clean and declutter the home. One of the most important things you can do to increase the value of your home is to clean and declutter each room. Remove any personal items and decorations that may be distracting or off-putting to buyers. While most real estate agents will want you to hire a professional cleaning service to ensure that every inch of your home is sparkling clean, a cash buyer just needs to be able to see the space in each of the rooms. Make minor repairs and updates. Traditional buyers often look for homes in good condition and ones that need minimal work. Consider making minor repairs and updates that will improve the appearance and functionality of your home. This could include fixing broken fixtures, updating appliances, or refreshing surfaces like countertops and cabinets. Once again, if you don't have the time or money or connections to mess with repairs or updates, it's nice to know that cash buyers usually don't ask you to complete repairs or updates. Stage the home for showings. Staging your home is absolutely not necessary when selling to a Nashville cash buyer, but it can affect how potential buyers perceive it, which is why many agents will ask you to stage your home when selling to a traditional buyer. Consider styling each room to create a cohesive, attractive look that will appeal to buyers. This could involve rearranging furniture, adding decorative accents, and using color to create a cohesive theme. Pricing the home. Pricing your home is critical when selling to a buyer. Research comparable sales in the area to understand which similar homes sell for and be sure to compare apples to apples. Determine a fair and attractive price based on the condition and the features of your home, the updates and the finishes it has, and the square footage and the acreage, and be open to negotiating with buyers if necessary. Sites like Zillow can be quite a bit high or they can be low with their estimates, so consider hiring an appraiser to get a good sense of what your home is worth. These professionals can provide a detailed analysis of the local housing market and help you determine a fair and competitive price for your home. So, by following these tips, you can maximize the value of your home when selling to a cash buyer in Nashville. Selling to a traditional buyer, clean and declutter your home, make minor repairs and updates, stage the home for showings, price it, and consider offering incentives to the buyer. If selling to a Nashville cash buyer, the path is a little easier since cash buyers won't require most of these fixes. Remember to be patient and flexible during the process, as selling a home can take some time. Thanks for watching. Hey, it's Corey Fager with Buying Houses Nashville. Every month, we're looking for a couple more houses to buy. If you've been thinking about selling, I promise it's worth having a conversation with us. You'll probably be shocked at how simple the process is and how easy we are to work with. Hope to talk with you today.